I really wanted to hack an ATM. That was the dream, to create something similar enough that people were going to be really surprised.
I'm Pete Bennett. I'm a human-computer interaction researcher at Bristol University and freelance creative technologist. That's might have been a bit long-winded.
My name's Lara Luna Bartley. I'm an artist and I make work primarily about money and banking.
This project came about from Lara spotting me at a previous exhibition where I was using a till roll to guide people around museums.
Meeting Pete and speaking to Pete, and through the process of creating another ATM that was analogue, I realised that hacking an actual ATM is not a very good idea.
The ATM took a good number of design steps, from running a workshop where we got the public's feedback on the device on the early prototype.
About mortgages, do you know anything?
And told us about what they think about money and banking, and that informed some of the questions that we asked and some of the quotes that we decided to include in the machine. We exhibited it at the Moneytree Exhibition, which is an exhibition that is bringing work together from different artists that are helping people understand the banking system, and in particular the banking crisis. This weekend it will go to Plymouth, and then it will have a huge audience in Plymouth.
10 years ago there was a global banking crisis. I still don't quite get what happened. Do you? On a scale of 0 to 9, how much would you say you know?
Maybe one of the difficulties of creating the work was underestimating the writing process of actually giving an ATM a voice. So it's quite easy to think about doing that quickly on paper.
Do you think
Austerity.
But when you actually get down to it, it's quite a lot of work.
Why to continue? Do you want to carry on?
I do?
Questioning, thoughtful, provoking.
Worrying yet reassuring at the same time?
Fascinating, rewarding and disturbing.
It was nice to have a cash machine tell you the truth about money. I just think people are told a lot of lies about money, and so the everyday person just goes, oh, okay, I don't really understand that, I'll switch off from that. But the way that has just given us the facts is just really, really clear and really interesting, and you kind of are quite shocked.
Please remember to take your card.
This number here about the bank bailout in Britain are just quite shocking, especially when we're in a city that did suffer so much in the financial crisis.
First it was a little intimidating, because obviously putting your bank card into some shonky wooden object is a little bit scary. What is it reading? But in the main, very satisfying. I really liked the way that it was friendly. The language is really friendly. It was good to know that there are still people making work about this subject 10 years on.